How y'all doing? Today's December 2nd, 2024. And the girls are in the house, so won't be seeing the girls today. You might hear them. We got a little bit of snow last night. Not as much as Buffalo and upstate Watertown area. They got like 3 feet of snow. Better them than us. We luck out a lot of times. Buffalo always gets nailed, but just a little bit. It was a little bit more this morning, but we had some sunshine earlier this morning. It melted a lot, so. But the girls are inside. But little update. Hope everybody had a nice Thanksgiving, and catch you soon. All right. See ya. Bye.